Alright, open season is here, and we will have a lot of sunny days like this one. And every time you go into the barbecue, you are planning the picnic, or you're going to the beach and you park your car for several hours, and when you're coming back, there's a sauna in the car waiting for you. And we have a really good solution with this thing, which is called windshield sunshade, and I will show you how this works. Alright, on the box you can find a note, make your life simple, and I will show you how. So this thing looks like an umbrella, which is really easy to use, and it will take just only a little bit of space in your car. When you're opening, open a little bit wider and more before you will put it to the windshield. Just adjust two sides, on the left and right again, and just adjust it right here. And that's it. So when you secure the umbrella right here, don't forget to use those, so it will help you to cover all of your windshield.